In the midst of a peaceful field filled with white rocks and delicate flowers, soft sunlight danced across the ground. There, a strange-looking giraffe appeared, wearing a huge hat and a jacket that didn't fit him at all. He walked with heavy steps as if something was off. Suddenly, he stopped in the middle of the field, thinking to himself, "Why am I wearing these clothes?" He shivered from the strangeness he felt, tugging at his oversized sleeves in vain. From afar, small birds began to laugh, unable to contain themselves. A little sparrow flew closer and said, "You're blending in perfectly." The giraffe, utterly confused, replied in a voice filled with disbelief, "Blending in? In this hat? Are you joking?" Suddenly, while trying to understand the meaning behind wearing such ridiculous clothes, a butterfly quietly landed on his nose, adding even more absurdity to the scene. At that moment, a crowd began to gather. Birds, butterflies, even the fast-running rabbits stopped to take a look. The giraffe, surrounded by laughter and mockery, felt a wave of frustration hit him like a storm. But then he took a step back and told himself, "Wait, maybe it's not about how silly I look, but how confidently I wear these things." He lifted his head high with pride, walking with steady steps, wearing the hat like it was a crown. Moral: sometimes it's not about how ridiculous you look, but the confidence you wear.